So, brothers and sisters, it's very easy. I want to tell you all something. It's very easy. Whenever we try to get something straightened up, there are always some Africans that will try to tell us that the way we are doing it is not the right way. Baba, namaste. Happy Diwali. Hold on, wait. Me from Delhi, New Delhi. Me, Utamanaga, Duakamo, all of that. You understand? All of you in Africa, you living properly, Abi? Any police station? No police station in Africa, Abi? You know my brothers in Africa always running for police. Okay. Now, when you get you talk to your people, talk to your India police to leave Africans alone. If they kill any of us again, all of them go back to our country. Oh, now not go get peace. Brother, I know what you want to say, but I want to tell you that they kill your brothers there. You must know. Not they protect their lives. They're not they protect us for their more. Not be your customers. They're not they protect us for their more. Very wicked people.
I understand. You can do that outside.
No, see, make your people begin to complain. May you see them. Not they protect them. Okay, they're not they protect us for their side.
I'll be forced.
It's not too much. Anywhere we see them, I go they let them know. You know what they do us. If you walk me out, I will go out. But they kill your brothers. They are trying to let you know. If you get Bessie for India, you're not going to try to stop me.
You can do it outside.
You won't try to stop me if you get Bessie for India.
You can do it.
India, why for the call people where wicked die, they get police for here. That's why we they run up and down every day. They kill us every day for there. They take our properties, they put us on prison, send us deportation camp. Now there be this. Make Africans in India come online, make you hear what they will tell you now. Then they come back to Nigeria soon now. Not be all of them they put for deportation camp. Make them come back now. All these ones go run, go ask. Stop videoing what? You all seize the phone. Don't call Navy come. See how many barrack they go call they come. And they tell you something, say you all call Navy come. I be like Calabari.
No problem with you.
Call Army barrack come.
No.
Okay. You want belittle me give India for my country? For my country. You know what the face for India for I call last week? Call your Navy come, make up guide them now. And they tell you say, brother, if we don't have peace in India, I got a video you give them, they see you. You go see what your brothers will tell you. If we don't have peace in India, I see no reasons why Indians will have peace in our country. We can't give out what we don't have. So all of this is hypocrisy. Is what we want to stop. Don't try to protect them. For their more, if you see what these people they do us, their security say go slap you.
I go India where we understand the don't reach.
Are they let anywhere for see them? That's why I go to let them know. They're too wicked.
If my outside night for
you don't see wicked people so. See, they kill our brother them for us. They are police. They put our people through their jail 12 years. You not commit crime because you black.
Listen to me.
Take. Nobody they harass me. I know my rights.
Every day now you come shop like
not the only shop like any day I see them, I go to tell them. You know the injustice with the experience. You don't support them.
You won't try our customers.
I go where they stay, go feed themselves. I'm not to fear anybody. I go and meet Barra, go tell them. They're mad. I better do my own man, they go. Not they protect them. Inside church, our church, they're the oppressors. For their more, they're the oppressors. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to tell you now. They're the oppressors for their more too. I don't know how Africans behave safe. When you try to correct these people, there are always some Africans that will come to tell you that you are not doing the right thing. Why for India? If India madman hold you like this, people they join us, they don't want to know what you do. Then they kill you once. You know India? Call your police, come. See me say they fear one person. India, you know what Indians they do Africans? Delete waiting. Make gonna share the video. Delete waiting. No, they make this come to the back. They make police go kill our brothers for so good. So now people like you, those armies will go kill our brothers. They are not different from you. I said leave away for me, I'm gonna let them know.
You are supposed to
your brothers who prison, they tell you 600 Africans they hang every day for India. 600 Africans. No crime because they are black.
These people, they treat you for their country.
Not be India for the come last week. You know how many years I spent for India? You know place where they know.
Anyway,
India madman. If they arrest you, collect money for your hand. Now millions they pay. 1 million, 2 million every day.
They are wicked.
Nobody wicked reach India for the full world. If you know how India beats you're not gonna blame me. You go who hold this one just and with the beats inside the mall. You know India. Don't know India. Man, show you their video. My landlord go come and see my AC. If you like your AC, they tell you say park. He won't take your load. 2 seconds, you dey run. You not be black man. You know India.
A wicked guy. India wicked.
Man, cash for anywhere now. If you know they get peace, they're not gonna get peace. I don't come. Take my sister. Anyhow I do it is the way. Another way. There's no peaceful way to get it. You don't get it peacefully or lovingly. Call your army, come. Nobody. All the ones where they put for prison so that they come out now. When they come out, when they come worry shop, right? Mona stop all of us, say we will not carry India. We go beat them. As we don't get peace for their country, they don't get peace for our country too.
Well, boss, you go wait to our bed.
I go wait waiting for your police.
You go wait. You go wait.
For what?
You go wait.
For what?
You go wait.
Wait for what?
Or you delete the video.
Delete which video? You can't delete it. This is my phone. You can't even do it. Delete which video? This boy na Calabar, yo. India started do this the way they do. India started do this the way they do. Go try for India more. Gucci shop, they India more. If you enter safe, but the security where they work on there, they'll first beat you. So far say you they talk to one India and they talk to a wicked devil. You they can't support them. Anytime I come na so. Anywhere I go na so. Come on, my pass, brother, are you? How many people now the mumu you don't know what they do. If you get brother for India, they'll tell you what the injustice where they face. Come on, brother. Mother, come on, my pass. I know they wait. See on our brothers now, the African brothers with this. They attack me because they talk to Indians. They don't know what the Indians they do us. And they say they deport us. And they say they keep us for prison. Indians when they do us for prison. Let go. We don't commit crime. What the people don't know? My friend, let go. I beg come out. Mumu people. May we all in India first now. Then I go no. May we all in India.
That's why they owe you.
Mumu people. India went wicked. Now the Nigerians be this. I tell you don't see India when they put on for prison. Now our brothers they protect them here. Even when we vex our own police self no fit stop us. Not even our federal government. You don't understand? See, as they keep us for their prison, we go keep all the Indians for our prison too. When you go implement the police station, on don't see India man for police station once. Oh, you are going India, may you see our people. Now we fool all their police station. Now we fool their prison. Black people. Indians not the enter prison yet. On a come tell us say we they do Yahoo for their country or we they set wrong. What the Indians they do for Nigeria? Not be they there our forests they mine our oil. Go Shedo that they mine oil there. Illegal mining. Now big reach the crime when we they commit for their country. Now big reach. No India go get peace. If we not get peace for their country, no one go get peace. We go let all of them know for everywhere. Nothing will happen. I greet you, brother.
You know I'm the one in charge of security in the shop. Is it proper the way you are doing it?
Sir, you might take it that is not proper. Hold the phone. Don't need to back camera. Go this way. You might take it that is not proper, but there's no proper way of doing it, sir. I'm talking. I'm see, excuse me.
No, everything they show now.
I don't believe that. No, you can't.
What?
But this is the way we are going to do it. Sir, give me my phone.
Yeah, wait.
It's on live.
So, what do y'all do? I don't understand. Y'all question.
Video. He said if you use less, there is going to use less.
Say the one deported 12 years. They don't deport any of them. No. Yeah, I'm going on my own. I want to protect people when they protect us. When people are in prison.
Where they go?
People when people are in prison.
Come, go here with it. go.
No, they shift to the phone. They shift. Don't go.
Yes, as long as say I know say I dey talk the truth. But you know how many places we don't stay for India? India. Don't stay 1 year for India. You must find them for prison. You know they protect them. Wicked people. Now they protect here. They not gonna get peace if we not gonna get peace on their country.
Fuck up, all the guys they do one kind of
No, that's what they go do. If they want to all of these people stand and they fuck up.
Come on, cuz go do it to you, go do. Fuck off first, Vegas. Vegas, come.
Even know I tell you now, they see the struggle where they go on, Abi. And just because say I speak out, I was talking to some Indians and I spoke India with them. And they tell them about the problem where we they face. When our people don't come, I mean they won't carry go Rofando give Indians. This to tell you how stupid we are.
Look at your sister.
No, not follow me. Go collect my bag with that guy. Go meet him. Take my number. Call them. Tell them they call me. Collect the bag. Go your own. Call me later. My phone there with me.